Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the font of your text on your PowerPoint on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your presentation. After that, you should tap on the current slide and go to your home page at the top, and here you can find the fonts. So if you tap on this button, you can search among the font names. So just simply tap on the relevant font that you would like to use. Then you can also change the font size here. You can make it bigger and smaller. You can make your text bold. You can italicize it, underline it. You can highlight it, and so on. So that's how you can change the text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.